In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or delete all data in QuickBooks Online. If you need to wipe a company file and start fresh, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect. Before we begin, a quick but important reminder: resetting data is permanent. There's no undo button, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding, and consider saving any reports or details you might want for reference later. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using the Master Admin profile. Only the Master Admin has the permission to reset or delete all data. So if you're logged in as a standard user or company admin, you won't see the option you need. If you manage multiple companies, double check that you've opened the correct company file before you continue, as the reset affects only the company you're currently in. Once you're in the right place, look for the gear icon. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks window. Click that icon and select Account and Settings. This is where company level preferences and advanced controls live, including the tools for managing your data. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct settings area. We want Account and Settings, not just general profile settings. Inside Account and Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Reset Data. This section is specifically designed for clearing your books so you can start from a clean slate. If you don't see reset data, it may mean your subscription isn't eligible for this feature, which I'll explain in a moment. When you find reset data, you'll see options like delete all data or reset QuickBooks. Click the option that matches your goal. Delete all data removes your transactions and lists so you can begin anew, while reset QuickBooks may guide you through a similar process tailored to your setup. After you click, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm. Read each prompt carefully, acknowledge the warnings, and follow the on-screen steps to complete the reset. One more crucial note: this feature is only available for new subscriptions within the first 60 days. If your account is older than that, the reset data option won't appear. In that case, you may need to consider alternate approaches outside this process. To avoid surprises, verify the age of your subscription and confirm you're signed in as the master admin. And again, before resetting, consider saving any key information you might want to refer back to later. That's it. Thanks for watching, and proceed with care.